Death one, death one. Okay, we're doing a death one. The video started. We're trying the music death one. We're trying the music death one, guys. Music death. I wanna try. Show it to the video viewers. I wanna see. Now, do a death one that we both like. I don't know what death one's which. I just rage in death ones. You can do any. I could say the F word, the SH word, the A word, bull SH word. Why? If you got completed, you're a default. I know I'm a default, but you're gonna be a default after this. Yeah, you will be. You must be. Okay. I want to see the level thing. If I complete it, I should have said pro death one. Oh, I'm always a noob. I actually might be the. I can. Yeah! Oh no. Oh, this one. Oh, I beated you that time. Last time I beated you. Oh wait, I forgot what's the start. Wait, is this the starting? I tried to do the trick. I've never done the trick before. I know how to do it. What? Oh, you just jumped. I could do what you did. You just jumped. Oh, I remember this one. I remember this one. You're ahead of me, but I know this one. This is Bounce. No! No! I was actually 7 already. I'm still on level 2. I'm doing this. Have you? I finished showering. Who? Yes, no! I thought I couldn't make it, but what? Who? I'm on level 10. I'm on level 3. Okay, on level 4. Your default on your iPad. That's. Oh no. You died 9 times. Are you serious? Yes! If I don't make this, I'm raging. I quit! What? I need to... If I don't make this one, I am so raging. No! I'm about to quit this already. Oh my god, I'm so raging. I realized I accidentally stopped the video already. And I accidentally paused it. And I paused it and I raged so hard. Did you take the L on me? Yes. It said TK took the L. No! 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 4. If this doesn't work, I'm literally so gonna rage. You don't know what. Not that much. If I don't do this, I'm literally gonna rage. I'm quitting. I'm quitting. Okay. I'm leaving. I'm going back to hub. I so quit. I already went back to hub. I quit it so badly. You don't know how much I quit. I don't even know what's a trick shot or what's not a trick shot. Pew pew. I'm AFK right now. High five! Where is it? Like, so now when you can melt in the sand, can you melt in the ice? Down! Bubble. Mountain Dew. While I wait, can I go into your island? Once I travel to... You made it a yacht! Oh my... Is this Deadpool's yacht? Did you... Oh yeah, you know what I am. You didn't want me to simulate. Beep bop bop. Oh, this is still Modest's yacht. Hey, Deadpool doesn't have a yacht. Deadpool doesn't have a yacht. Oh no. Whoa. My heart is beating so quick. Is it sniper? This thing of snipers? High five! There's like four more. Oh no. Yep. Well, you could skip levels of this. Yeah. Well, huh? We're not supposed to. Oh no! I saw Pleb! Oh my! Oh my! No, I didn't! Oh, I made it! But then I know. No! No. I'm not raging. It's so fun, this. You actually... Yes, I did it! Wait, what am I supposed to do? I see what... Yeah, I got my first checkpoint. Okay, you're not supposed to... Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! I don't know, I just did it somehow. I'm like, what? Oh! Are you gonna rage? Are you a raging person? Like me? Whoa! What? Finally! They boing you, by the way. They boing you. Boing, 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 boing! How'd you get in? How'd you get in the door? Hi, sir. You're supposed to press W while you jump for me. Okay, I just gave you a hint. Oh. Oh no. This video is like so close to ending on our age. Oh my! Ah! Can we skip level 1? Oh wait, that's what you're supposed to do. Oh, thanks, TK. No! How did you go down? How did you go that way? Huh? 4, 3, 1.